Hey, it's Aaron. In this video, I want to teach you how to make your sketches speak. I had an idea for a dog toy and I took this sketch and refined it. So now I have this. And my goal here is to help whoever is looking at this sketch understand what it is. So one way that I can do that is by adding words. I went ahead and started with this word here, squeak, just to kind of indicate that my toy has a squeaker inside. And one way I can also enhance this is by adding a arrow. And then I can continue to add details like what materials this is made of and what this actually is. It's a dog toy. I hope you enjoyed. Happy sketching.